Today we're going to make spicy pasta. It has a certain amount of chili, but not very much. My husband really enjoys this. It's a regular dish that I cook at home. I thought I would bring it to you. So let's get cooking. Boil 3 cups of pasta. You can use penne or twist, either one. It works really well. So we boiled the pasta and it's now ready to drain. We've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add in 1 spoon of chili flakes. Now we can add the ginger and garlic and some onions. Just want to fry these until they're golden brown. Now add in some pepper. Any colour pepper will be nice. So the ingredients are now fried nicely, so we're now going to put in pasta. Pasta needs to fry a little bit, so we're going to add in another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And it'll just make it nice and brown. Now we're going to add in the cherry tomatoes. Just add a drop of oil for the pine nuts that we're going to add in. I think it would be nice to do about 3 tablespoons. I absolutely love pine nuts. And you just lightly get them golden brown. But you have to stir it very quickly because they do go brown very quickly as well. And they're ready. It's now ready. We're going to serve it in a bowl with some parsley and some pine nuts sprinkled on the top. Voila. Done. Ready to serve. So now it's ready to serve, and I can taste the parsley and the crunchy pine nuts. Really lovely. I think my husband will love this meal tonight. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.